Hey guys, how are you doing? In this episode, we are going to see how to find blocked contacts on iPhone. If you are new to iPhone, recently got one, and you have blocked some contacts or not receiving phone calls or messages and realizing that you have accidentally blocked some contacts on your iPhone, then you can check three different places within the iPhone settings to find blocked contacts and unblock them if it is necessary. So once you are on your iPhone's home screen, navigate inside the settings application. You can directly search here for phone or messages or FaceTime are the three places that we need to check. If you're not receiving FaceTime calls from a particular contact, then you need to check the FaceTime. If you're not receiving the messages from a particular contact, then you need to check the messages settings. So here right now I'm checking inside the phone settings page. So you can either search or you can navigate inside the apps at the bottom. Right now I'm running iOS 18.5 version. So inside apps you can tap on this P or you can directly search from there and navigate inside the phone, then scroll to the last to locate the blocked contacts. So here you can see the list of contacts that has been blocked automatically by any call blocking or identification system you have installed on your iPhone. I have installed a Truecaller software to detect any spam callers. So if there is any accidental block happened for a proper contact that you have on your iPhone or a number that you know and they are informing you that they are unable to reach you and you haven't received any call from them, then you need to check this section in order to find whether their contact number is listed here or not. So once you located that specific contact, you can simply swipe towards left to unblock it, because when you navigate inside that particular contact, you will not be seeing any option to unblock it. But if you want to block any contact on iPhone, simply open the phone app, the contacts tab, navigate inside that particular contact, and at the end you can see, when you scroll down to the bottom, you can see the block caller option. So when you tap on this red color link, the caller will be blocked and you can see that particular contact in the blocked contacts within the iPhone app phone settings. So in order to unblock, you can simply swipe towards the left and unblock it. If you want to bulk unblock any contacts that you think accidentally added, you need to tap on the edit button at the top right corner, and then from here in this list you can simply unblock any contacts that you think are genuine and you want to unblock them to start receiving phone calls from that specific number. The second place you need to check if there is any such contact blocked from sending message to you, then you need to tap on within the settings apps section, navigate inside the messages. So here inside the messages, scroll down a little bit, and here under the text messaging section you can see the blocked contacts. So the same contact numbers that you find on the phone contacts, once blocked, they will not be able to contact you through phone messages application or FaceTime. So you can check any specific setting and delete or unblock from this list to start receiving the phone messages or FaceTime from that number. So if both these sections are checked and you are not receiving the FaceTime calls only from that particular number, then navigate inside the FaceTime settings, scroll down to the last, and here you can see the blocked contacts. From here, you can again do the removal or unblock any particular contact that you want to start receiving the phone call, messages, and FaceTime calls. So this is how you can find blocked contacts on iPhone and unblock them if you want to. For more useful iPhone, iPad, and Mac related tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video useful, give a thumbs up. Have a wonderful day.